8402. A flexible sealing element subject to motion is A. Compound. B. Packing. C. Gasket. The correct answer is B. A packing is a flexible sealing element that is subject to motion, such as in a hydraulic or pneumatic system. It is used to create a seal between two surfaces that move in relation to each other, such as a piston and cylinder wall, and prevent fluid from leaking out. The material used for packing can vary depending on the specific application and can include materials such as rubber, plastic, or metal. 8403. Which characteristics apply to aircraft hydraulic systems? A. About 80% operating efficiency, 20% loss due to fluid friction. B. Minimum maintenance requirements and simple to inspect. C. Minimum maintenance requirements, lightweight, and simple to inspect. The correct answer is C. Aircraft hydraulic systems are designed to be lightweight, durable, and reliable. They have minimum maintenance requirements and are easy to inspect. They are also designed to be efficient, with little loss due to fluid friction. Therefore, option C is the correct answer as it accurately describes the characteristics of aircraft hydraulic systems. Option A is incorrect because although hydraulic systems are efficient, the operating efficiency is typically higher than 80%. Option B is also incorrect because while hydraulic systems may have minimum maintenance requirements and be simple to inspect, they are not necessarily the simplest system to maintain. 8404. If a rigid tube is too short for the flare to reach its seat before tightening, pulling it into place by tightening. A. Is acceptable. B. May distort the flare. C. May distort the cone. The correct answer is B. If a rigid tube is too short for the flare to reach its seat before tightening, pulling it into place by tightening may distort the flare. 8405. The installation of a new metal hydraulic line should be made with A. A straight tube to withstand the shocks and vibration to which it will be subjected. B. A straight tube to permit proper alignment of the fitting and thereby reduce fluid loss through leakage. C. Enough bends to allow the tube to expand and contract with temperature changes and to absorb vibration. The correct answer is C. It is recommended that all metal hydraulic lines in an aircraft system have sufficient bends to accommodate the expansion and contraction of the tubing due to temperature and pressure changes, as well as to absorb vibrations. These bends help prevent the lines from becoming rigid and inflexible, which can lead to stress and potential failure. By allowing for flexibility, the bends in the lines help to mitigate the effects of thermal expansion and contraction, ensuring that the lines can adjust to varying conditions without experiencing excessive strain. Additionally, the bends act as vibration dampers, helping to reduce the transmission of vibrations through the hydraulic system. This promotes the longevity and reliability of the hydraulic lines and contributes to the overall safety and performance of the aircraft. 8406. Extrusion of an O-ring seal is prevented in a high-pressure system by the use of A. Backup ring on the side of the O-ring next to the pressure. B. U-ring on the side of the O-ring away from the pressure. C. Backup ring on the side of the O-ring away from the pressure. The correct answer is C. To prevent extrusion of an O-ring seal in a high-pressure system, a backup ring is commonly installed in the groove along with the O-ring. The backup ring is positioned on the side of the O-ring away from the pressure source. Its purpose is to provide additional support and prevent the high-pressure fluid from forcing the O-ring into the narrow gap between the piston and cylinder wall where extrusion could occur. The backup ring acts as a barrier, distributing the pressure more evenly across its surface and reducing the potential for O-ring deformation or failure. By combining the sealing capabilities of the O-ring with the support of the backup ring, the integrity and effectiveness of the seal are enhanced, ensuring proper functioning of the hydraulic system.